Try. Philippine. Masarap. Masarap sa in Tagalog. Yan na. No, no. Masarap yan. Masarap. Magaling. Masarap. Try.
Happy birthday!
Try. Masarap. 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 Yeah.
What? Shot, ay cheers mo, cheers. Patay ito. Then, no. Lami? Thank you ha.
Ano yan?
Balik na kami dito.
So, good evening guys. Good evening guys. Nandito po kayo para i-celebrate ng birthday yung pinakamamahal ko guys. So, ito lang yung magiging handa niya for tonight. Seafood curry, sizzling seafood gambas, also bambi kasi birthday.
Ice cream.
Tsaka ice cream.
Wow!
Wow!
Wow! Ice cream. Ang birthday gift sa kuha ka ni ice cream.
Okay.
Open ako.
Open. Hello!
Uh-oh.
Cookies and cream nga.
It's a prank!
It's a prank. Thank you sa mga bisita natin for tonight. Galing ng Palawan. Bumiyahe pa sila talaga galing ng Rojas papuntang El Nido para maki-birthday lang sa pinakamamahal ko. Happy birthday to you.
Okay na?
Thank you. Tagay na masdalan. And this positive ni Lord. Tungkol sa mga Lord. And thank you. Happy birthday to you. Amen.
Amen. He's a Korean. I'm so sorry.
Okay, go on to.
He cannot understand Tagalog. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. May Koreanong boyfriend. 안녕하세요. Bilsan mo kay masakit ng ulo. Hiwi ang kanyang ilong.
What's up?
Hey, igagaw. Hey, igagaw.
Kasim? Gagaw? Kasim? Delicious. Try. Birthday. Try. Delicious. Cooking.
안녕하세요. Lamig kayo eh. Lamig kayo.
Happy birthday, princess. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Agaw.
Agaw.
Agaw. Thank you, Agaw. God bless you. Ingat.
Happy birthday!